Good stuff. Let's see if we can find something cute in the forecast. It's just going to be cold. That's not exactly adorable. Chilly temperatures tonight, especially inland. You're going to drop down to around or even below freezing. A lot of sunshine tomorrow, but temperatures still remaining about 3 or 4 degrees below average. A little more cloud cover begins to build in on Wednesday. That trend continues Thursday with the next chance of rain moving in late Thursday, most likely Thursday night into the first half of Friday. Let's take a look at Futurecast. And again, no clouds in the atmosphere overhead tonight, which means there's no blanket of any kind to hold any warmth near ground level. Not that we had a whole lot to begin with today. Some high clouds are going to start floating into our skies by tomorrow evening, right around the time the sun goes down, but we'll see sunshine for most of the day. And gradual increase in cloud cover on Wednesday. More of a mix of clouds and sunshine in store for us for midweek. Nothing falling out of those clouds. That next chance of rain is still going to be hanging out well off the coast by Thursday morning, but this system is going to push a good chance of showers across the Bay Area Thursday night into Friday. It's one of a couple of chances of rain going to be heading our way. So let's add them up. We'll look at some long-range forecast model data, and this is kind of an average of different individual forecast models. Kind of gives us a range of possibilities, and we're looking at generally around a quarter-inch of rainfall, some spots approaching a half-inch with this first system Thursday night into early Friday. That is not a torrential amount of rain at all. It's more of just a typical shower pattern that we see this time of year, and looks like Saturday night and Sunday system is going to be very similar. Another quarter-inch to maybe half-inch of additional rain from that one. Some very welcome showers following up all the rain that we had in January, but now that the ground has largely dried out, we can absorb this amount of rain, especially coming at us in a couple of different waves with a little break in between on Saturday. Looking outside, beautiful sunset as we look towards the Golden Gate from the Mark Hopkins Hotel. Temperatures today topped out in the 50s. Most of us a few degrees below average, but Santa Rosa got up close to 60 degrees after a cold start this morning. It is going to be cold out there later on tonight. Right now, temperatures are mostly in the 50s, but it's already down to 49 degrees in Livermore. We'll end up near or below freezing inland, with temperatures around the bay and along the coast dropping down to the mid to upper 30s to around 40 degrees. No records being set, but a good 8, 9, 10 degrees below normal. Then we managed to warm up from that cold start. Mid-50s along the coast, upper 50s down the peninsula and around the south end of the bay. Should get up to 57 degrees or so in San Jose. Mostly mid-50s inland in the East Bay after your temperatures start off in the upper 20s in Livermore. In the mid-50s for San Francisco and Oakland, and mostly upper 50s north of the Golden Gate. Some of the very warmest spots, just briefly touching 60 degrees around Cloverdale, Windsor, and St. Helena. Temperatures will warm up a degree or two, back closer to what's normal for this time of year as we head through the rest of the work week with those 2 rain chances headed our way. We'll put a shower icon in the forecast for Thursday, even though most of the daylight hours do look to be dry Thursday. That next good chance of rain heading in late Thursday evening and overnight, then lingering into the first half of Friday. And any outdoor plans this weekend? Saturday looks like the drier half of the weekend. We'll keep you updated as we head through the rest of this week.